The Blackview Xplore 2 has been leaked, guys. This device is expected to be the successor of the Xplore 1, and of course it's going to be a lot more better than the Xplore 1. According to online details, the Xplore 2 will literally be Blackview's most powerful 5G rugged phone, and the device can compete with the likes of the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro in terms of performance, mainly because of its processor. The device is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 chipset, which is the processor that powers the Unihertz Tank 4 Pro. So this device can compete with the likes of the Tank 4 Pro performance wise. So this is just one of its top details. Regarding its other features, well, according to the details, the Xplore 2 would be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8300 5G octa-core chipset. It's going to pack a massive 20,000 mAh battery and support 120 watts fast charging. The device would also feature a 6.73-inch QHD Plus AMOLED 120Hz display, and since it's a rugged phone, it's going to be rated IP68 and IP69K, and it will be military grade standard 810H certified. So there you have it, guys, the Blackview Xplore 2. I don't know when this phone would be available, but when it becomes official, I'll definitely let you guys know. I'll update you guys, so make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Anyway, what are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comments section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.